What is up, Goon Squad? Another cold day out here, but we're still out here. It's not gonna stop us. We got this steering box in. This is off of a 06 Jeep Wrangler, so it is the Mercedes box, which is suitable for this Jeep.
So we're about to install the steering box, and then we're gonna slowly start piecing this thing together.
So we just removed the hood, and we're gonna push this into the garage to kind of use it as a windbreaker because it is pretty windy today and it's a little bit chilly. So now we're going to go ahead and connect the whole steering column. I'm going to start with this rod here. Alright, so we're going to take off this stock pitman arm, and we do have a 6-inch drop pitman arm that we're going to install. So we're going to use this tool here to pull that off. So if you never used a pitman arm puller, it's pretty simple. It just slips around it, and you just pretty much tighten this on until it pops off. Cover them beautiful bars up. We don't want no scuff, scratch, dings, or anything. I already put a couple of them in there. Don't want any more.
Piece of junk.
So, don't buy part number 520038337.
For this pitman arm drop, since we are using a Heim and the upgraded HD steering, we do got to ream this hole out with the same 5/8 reamer. This is usually the toughest one to ream through.
Yep.
Because I believe this is galvanized or something like that.
I have no idea what this is. This is
some sort of tough metal, yeah. That's it.
So we just painted this. We're letting it dry a little bit. It's fairly dry. We're going to give it a few more seconds and put it on the Jeep.
Torque specs for that pitman arm bolt is 185 pounds. Alright, so we got the steering box connected, the steering rod, everything is tightened up. We got the steering wheel inside centered to the steering box and the pitman arm, so everything is lined up. Now we're going to throw on this drag link here. And it's going to complete the steering up front. So we're doing some quick adjustments for now, just based off of eyesight, and we will be doing the further on the dot adjustments later. There you have it, guys. The steering is complete for now. Got it on there. It's looking beefy, looking good. Yeah, we still need to torque it down. It's not aligned either, so we just got it up there so we can maneuver it. But now it's on to the next step.
These are extended brake lines that we purchased. Let's get these installed.
So we removed the old brake lines, as you can see there. And now these pretty much just bolt right in.
We had to notch it because on these brake calipers there's a little, you can see right here, there's like a little flap sticking out right here. You need to notch it for it to
give you the maximum flex with that brake line, because there's a few other ways that you can mount it, but that's the best way to mount it to give you that maximum potential of that braided brake line. All right, we just finished installing both of the brake lines. There's that side and this side. Let's unpackage this right here. What is it?
Fender.
Let me help you there. Flat, Smittybilt fenders. Solid. It's gonna look awesome. So for these you do have to use the inside of the stock fenders. So we're gonna go ahead and try to mount it, connect everything that needs to be connected to the fender here, like this fuse box and a couple other components, and we're gonna keep going. That's how it sits right there. Now for the grill. Alright, so we actually had to take everything off the old grill and put it into the new grill that we painted. And we're now adding the radiator, brand new radiator. Alright, so finally that grill is actually going on. We got these bars also. Get the grill in. Now we're just plugging up some hoses for the radiator. Nice. Nice cap. We got to make sure we run this wire through the grill for the headlights and everything else that runs through the grill there. The good thing is we did buy this other Jeep because we are looking at a lot of the wiring, how it went, and it's helping us a lot. Very good help. So we're bouncing around from Jeep to Jeep finding it out, but now it's going to be factory specs. And now for the other side, it's coming together real nice. He's under there fastening that grill down.
Yep.
After we get everything put together here, then we can start cutting the fenders and getting these ready to get mounted on. Got a few more things to go. We just got to button some stuff up over here, put it into its position. Just got that fuse box installed. This evap, this is part of the evap, right?
This is the cruise control.
Oh yeah, that's the cruise control. The evap canister down there. And now we just got a few more components. After we add the fluid, the battery tray. Shoot, we might have it started today. I don't know. So we're about to actually go get some fluid. We need some power steering fluid. We need another quart of engine oil, some brake fluid, and some antifreeze coolant. So that's about it. We got it all buttoned up. It's looking great. Got everything plugged in. All we need to do now is add a battery and add the fluids to make sure it runs properly. And then we're gonna send it. All right, guys, so we just picked up all the fluids that we needed from the local parts store. Windshield washer fluid, might as well. This is what we picked up, some antifreeze coolant there. We got some more in the garage, so we may use 2 of those. We also got some power steering fluid, some good stuff, some Lucas. We also got some brake fluid there, and we needed an extra quart of some high mileage 10W30 for the engine oil. Last but not least, we got some windshield washer fluid. So we're gonna fill it up and hopefully get it started. We gotta steal the forklift battery because this was the original battery that was in the Jeep.
Still back my forklift.
So yeah, we're stealing the battery back. It's intimidating, but we gotta get this thing started. We also just added this air box, took it off that Jeep for now. Battery's in, all the fluids are in. We just got
First time this thing is having power
in a while. I'd say about 2-3 months.
One thing.
What's that one thing?
This needs to be plugged in.
No, that's just a ground to the hood. I don't think that'll matter.
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Oh,
I've been ready.
So much adrenaline going through me right now.
I don't even know what to think, man. Let's see that first. Oh, there's power. There's power. There's power.
Which key should I use? The rock?
Use the rock, man.
The rock.
You gotta use the rock. You gotta put. Oh, we don't have gas. Let's go get some fuel.
Let's go. Gun squad, pay for my gas.
Before we get this thing started, guys, be sure to check out goonsquad.com, copy some merch, support your boys, and always stay tuned. And also turn on your post notifications because we got some awesome stuff coming to the channel. We always do. All right, we got the fuel in there. It's gonna take a while for it to pump through. It sure did fire up quick. Alright, Caleb, I'm running low on power steering.
Evap leaking right here, around here. Gotta fix that.
There's already tape right there, so
yeah.
Looks like it was fixed before. Take 2. No check engine light, anything, so that's awesome. It's idling really smooth.
Oh, it's real nice. It's quiet, it's smooth. I love it, man. I love it. Woo!
We're gonna try to put it in here.
Oh, that brand new clutch.
That brand new clutch.
Listen to it. Oh.
Careful now.
Sounds so good.
Hey, that boiler's starting to sound good now.
What?
This thing is just purring. Alright guys, we're wrapping it up here. It was a good day today. We finally got this thing started. I know you guys have been waiting for that, so we got it started. It sounds great. It absolutely purrs.
Oh yeah, sounds really good.
Sounds great. What's left for this thing?
All right, now it's just cosmetics, basically, just the paint work that's left, and we basically just got to sand this thing and paint it. That's about it, and then the rest is just little cosmetics, headlights, bumper. We are going to be throwing a winch on here, the one that we never used for the other Rubicon build. We will be using for this. Yes, the synthetic rope. It'll look really nice on this thing.
So guys, be sure to follow me on Instagram, getting the inside scoop on Instagram. So be sure to do that right now. The link is going to be down below or right here in the title.
Also, go check out goonsquad.com
to cop you some fire merch.
This stuff is great for the working people and the ones that just love to watch us.
Yes, sir. If you want to support us, be sure to check out our GoFundMe or go ahead and become a Patreon, guys. We appreciate the support. We can't do it without you. These videos are made possible by you.
We appreciate all of our supporters that have supported us and all of our Patreons. We really do thank you for everything you do. That helps a lot. And if you want to become a Patreon, just visit the links down below. And appreciate everybody who wants to see our shop build that's helped support us on our GoFundMe. Go check that out too. We're still closing in to our goal. We are halfway through with our goal.
So guys, turn on your post notifications and we'll catch you guys next time.
Peace.